Hello, you're welcome to Agda TV channel. Our tutorial today is how to upload an audio clips into a WhatsApp status. As you already know, it is somehow difficult for anybody to upload an audio clips into a WhatsApp status. But today in this tutorial, I will show you how to do that step by steps. Firstly, you open your WhatsApp and uh, type on the video of your need. Maybe you select this video. So if you select it, firstly you just touch here and scroll down, look for something related to musics. You look for the sticker related to musics like this. So like this. So after that, you selected the sticker. So at the top right corner there, you will see a pen. If you touch the pen, a color here will display. So you choose the color of your need, maybe red. So after that, at the top here, something here related to there, uh, you hold on it on the video. So as you can see, the video is highlighted. So you just tap on send like this, and you wait for the video to be uploaded. So you just wait for the video to
Hello,
upload.
you are welcome to Agda TV channel. Our
So
tutorial
whosoever
today
type
is how
on
to
your
share your
status will just be
WhatsApp
listening
status directly to
either a
Facebook.
song or
In
anything,
this video, I will show you
but
how to do
he
that
will not
directly. As
see what is the video content. Maybe the content of the video is something that you don't want to show it, and you have only the video clips. So you use that method to upload it, in which you can send it to people without hearing or without seeing exact photos in the video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.